How to perform A/B testing in HubSpot. Welcome to today's video on A/B testing in HubSpot, a powerful tool for optimizing your marketing campaigns and improving your website's performance. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of A/B testing, how to set it up in HubSpot, and some best practices to keep in mind. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a method of comparing two versions of a web page, email, or other marketing element to determine which one performs better. The goal of A/B testing is to identify the changes that drive the most significant increase in conversions, such as form submissions, sales, or signups. To get started with A/B testing in HubSpot, you'll need to create a new test. To do this, navigate to the HubSpot dashboard and click on the Content tab. From there, select the page or element you want to test, and click on the A/B testing button. HubSpot will then allow you to create two versions of your page or element, and you can choose the elements you want to test. For example, you might test the headline, image, or call to action. Once you've created your test, HubSpot will randomly direct visitors to one version or the other, and you can track the results. When it comes to setting up your test, it's essential to keep a few things in mind. First, make sure you're testing a single variable at a time. This will help you isolate the impact of the change and ensure that you're not introducing other factors that could affect the results. Second, choose a statistically significant sample size. This will help you ensure that your results are reliable and accurate. In addition to these best practices, it's also essential to set clear goals and metrics for your test. This will help you determine what success looks like and ensure that you're measuring the right things. For example, you might set a goal to increase form submissions by 20% or boost sales by 15%.